Sanibona, ngaphambi singene kwivideo namuhla, ngithi angithathe lethuba ngibonge i-support nothando enikhombise lona lingaphezu kokucabanga kwethu. Siyacela niqhubeke nisi-support njalo ngokubuka amavidiyo ethu, ungakhohlwa ukukhomenta, ushare, ulike. Siyafisa ukuzwa umbono wakho. Sicela-ke singene kwivideo namuhla. Akucabange lapho nihleli njengomndeni senilungisela ukuthi nizodla noma sekudlala ishow eniyithandayo ku-TV kuvele kucishe ugesi bese isimo siniphoqa ukuthi funani ikhandlela niphume nintante ebusuku niyothenga ikhandlela ngoba kunabantu asebenqamula i-cable. Kule video manje ngifisa ukukhuluma ngento enzo MMC we-EFF wangapha eFree State. I-article yakhona ithi EFF Metsimaholo MMC of Public Safety, Traffic and Disaster Fighter Lefa Nhlapho has been active on electrical cable theft issues that are affecting the residents of Metsimaholo together with SAPS. They work all night till the early hours. With SAPS, they found a lot of electrical cables that were stolen in Cargo Informal Settlement in Ward 8. They have made arrests and will continue searching for the culprits until this criminal activity stops. Our comfort and safety cannot be jeopardized by criminal. It is important to put these criminals behind bars. Let us all stand together in fighting crime. Iwona message abayidlulisile leyo. Ikinto engijabulisa njengokubona abantu esibakhethele ukuthi ababe ngama-public servants abasebenzele thina benze show ukuthi umphakathi uphephile, sibabona benza umsebenzi wabo. Yingakho ngikujabulela ukwenza lama video. Lapho engikwazisa khona ngoba umuntu mayenza kahle kufanele anconywe. Angikhathalekile ukuthi uphuma kuliphi iqembu lezepolitiki. Noma kuthiwa ilunga lomphakathi, uma yenza kahle kufanele anconywe. Ukuboshwa kwalabantu kusho ukusizakala kwalomphakathi abawushilwa kule informal settlement abade bekhuluma ngayo. Ngoba abantu bakhona bebenenkinga yabantu abanqamula intambo bangabi nagesi bona. Ngenxa ukuthi labantu laba bazothatha le cable bayolithengisa bathola imali. Afika amaphoyisa abawadizele bawanika imali laba abe i-grab yard. Iyona nje into esibulalayo. Sesekula udaba lama-cable asidlulele phambili. Udaba lesibili luthi ama-suspect noma abasolwa abawu-6 baboshiwe for ukweba ama-cable kanye nokudamage infrastructure. Ifundeka kanje article yakhona, in a joint operation involving Deka Specialized Services, Gauteng Traffic Wardens, STT, AfriForum Krugersdorp, Joint Ops Group, EC Security and P1 Security. Information was received about 6 suspects who fled after being caught stealing cables. Members dispersed and managed to apprehend 4 suspects in the North Hewell area. Another suspect was found dining nearby, while the 6th was arrested after a vehicle chase in Meadersdrift, where officers recovered stolen cable from the vehicle. All 6 suspects were arrested for malicious damage to essential infrastructure, cable theft, and contravening the Immigration Act. Ukhono sezothi ngiyabazonda labafowethu. Kodwa uyazi ukuthi labantu laba baphule ngisho i-Immigration Act. Ababona abanye angazi bonke kodwa ababona abala eSouth Africa bengeke kuthiwa they contravene the Immigration Act bengabala eSouth Africa. Ababona base-South Africa. Kuyivideo engiyenzile ngibuzile ukuthi ingoba kulula na ukwenza ubugebengu la eSouth Africa. Ingoba ubugebengu benzeka kalula na eSouth Africa ukuthi abantu banganqamula zonke lezi ndawo, banqamule beqa ama-fence beze la eSouth Africa bafike benza ubugebengu la. Ingoba ubugebengu benzeka kalula na. Wathi omunye cha nginenkinga nabantu abangaphandle. Anginayo inkinga mina nama-foreign. Kodwa mina as a South African I'm documented ngine-ID. Mina I'm documented. Ngingwala eSouth Africa. How about umuntu ke ongesuka la? Funeka nangabi nama-document. Engani mina mangiphuma ngiya kwelinye izwe ngiphatha i-passport yami. Ngifike ngibe i-documented foreigner kulelo zwe. Kuzothiwa hayi siyabazonda labafowethu senza ama-video ngabo ngoba sibazonda. Yini sizoyijabulela ngabo uma bemosha umphakathi. Imagine makuthiwa uhleli nawe unebhizinisi. Yabona nje njoba ngenza lama-video ngiyawudinga ugesi. Mina njoba ngenza lama-video ngiyawudinga ugesi. Ukuze ngilayithe. Ukuze i-Wi-Fi ibe on, ukuze ifoni ibe ne-battery. Ngiyawudinga ugesi. Noma sikhala ukuthi ugesi uyadura kodwa siyawudinga ukuthi ube khona. Imagine la ugesi ungasekho khona ngoba i-cable itshontshiwe. Yatshontshwa umuntu ozohamba uyithengisa e-scrap yard aphile yena abe nemali. Ukuze yena abe nemali funa kusafari thina. Bese kugcineni mawenza ama-video uxwayisa ngalokho kuthiwa uzonda abantu bangaphandle. Abafethu asimeni siyabathanda iAfrika fanele ibe iAfrika ebumbene ngiyakusupporta lokho kodwa ngeorder ngendlela kuhlonishwe nemithetho yamazwe. Phamba ngidlule phambili uyayibona le cable entshontshiwe ukuthi ingakanani. Njoba bebekwe necala lokudamage infrastructure noma inqalasizinda. Sekufuneka manje kulungiswe sekuyofuna kuphuma ithenda. Ezolungiswa ngoba lama-cable njengoba wanqamlile angeke asakwazi ukusebenza ngendlela efuna asebenze ngayo. Ngoba sebewanqamlile. Ibiningi ngibona imali abebezoyithola kodwa umphakathi ngapha umoshakalelwe. Kwabahlala ey'ndaweni ezinama-train kakhulukazi ngapha eGauteng. I-train kukhona la beyisilekelela khona. Thina besibuye sihambe ngesitimela. Mawufika ubuka iy'teshi yabona nje mawufika eDorfontein lapha eJohannesburg ubheka eDorfontein ubheka ubone ukuthi uma funeka kulungiswe sekufuneka ku-investwe ama-million. Funeka ku-investwe ama-million ngoba kunabantu abathize abadamage lo infrastructure. Bona bazuza bayithola imali. Kodwa abantu asebesafana manje sekumphakathi obusebenzisa i-train sekungabantu abebesebenza lapha kwi-train. Konke lokho asikucabangi. Kubekwa inzondo phambili. Hayi uyabazonda wena labantu. Uthi ubugebengu benziwayo kodwa kube kuthiwa ubugebengu bebetholakala benza ubugebengu. Asisho ukuthi bonke ubugebengu benziwa abantu abangama-foreigners cha. Kodwa nabo lo besikhuluma ngabo kwenziwa yibo.
Remember, these people, like I said, they are not here as asylum seekers. They are not. There's no war in Zimbabwe.
They can say they are economic
No, there's no
refugee,
There is no war in Zimbabwe.
but they're economic refugees.
Zimbabwe is functioning properly as we speak. It's functioning. Zimbabwe is not collapsed. Zimbabwe is a fully functioning country. It has systems. They have hospitals. They have everything. They ran here because it's lawless. They don't want to be controlled by institutions and systems. They ran away from their countries because here they can do as it pleases. That is the sole reason. There are people who are selling vegetables in Zimbabwe and they are surviving. They are not killed to sell vegetables. But they decide to come sell vegetables here because they can sell them anywhere. If you go to the town there in Bulawayo, you can't see people, the town filthy or dirty. So there's no economic what that they're talking about. In fact, those Zimbabweans in Harare are living nice. There are Zimbabweans who will never leave Zimbabwe. They don't want to leave. They are rich and doing well there. They have suburbs, they have everything there. But they are coming here not because there's no jobs in their country. That's a lie. That's a lie. There's no person who's saying, I'm not employed in Zimbabwe because I'm a Mandebele. But you have your own region there, the Matebelele. They are working. There are people who are teachers there and working their schools, their hospitals. It's functioning. They are here because there is lawlessness. And that's why he's saying they are taking the money back home. Because if home was bad, they wouldn't be developing home. They will be developing here. The same way that the Pakistanis and the Somalians, they are taking the money back to their country, impoverishing South Africa. That's the problem. That is the biggest problem. Them being here benefits the country nothing, but it is stripping it off. You look at the trucks, the cars that are going there. It is developing that they can go home, but here they leave Johannesburg collapsed. It's nothing. It's a trash. It's bad.
Angizukuphawula lutho noma yini eshuwo la ishuwo umcebo Dlamini ayishuwo ngoyimi kodwa nje ngincoma umsebenzi namapanyapanya asebenzile ngoba yiwona alekelele kakhulu ekugijimiseni labantu baze bababamba laba babanjwe namakhebuli funa siwancome enza omuhle umsebenzi angiyaqala ukubona amapanyapanya enza umsebenzi omuhle hlezi ngiwabona ethatha ibribe nje hayi namhlanje futhi ngihlezi ngiwabona ezulazula ngingawazi ukuthi enzani ngiyawancoma ngomsebenzi omuhle awenzile njengoba bengabantu abalekelela umphakathi sifuna ukuzwa indaba ezinje sifuna ukubona imisebenzi enje yenziwa yibo iSouth Africa yethu iyofuna isukunyelwe yithi ukuzilunga igxathu lokuqala efuna silithathe ilele lizokwenzeka ngonyaka ozayo funeka siphume siyovota sivotela abantu abazoseva umphakathi le ndaba leyo ukuthi kufika abantu baniculela ingoma zomzabalazo banikeze izikipa zeinhlangano bese niyasuka niyovota yiyo le yenza ukuthi sihlale eindaweni kungabibikho service delivery ngoba nina into ebalekile kini ukuthi niculele ingoma zomzabalazo nitshelwe yonke into okunye kwesibili njengesizwe lesesimpisholo noma esimnyama noma esinsundu asike sizijwayeze ukufunda asike sizijwayeze ngiyazi asifani singabani kodwa asizijwayeze ukufunda uma kufika iEFF ngakini kufika iDA kufika iATM kufika iRise Mzansi kufika iKiss Party kufika iIFP kufika iANC asifundeni manifesto yabo sazi ukuthi uzokwazi ukubheka ukuthi yipi political party aligna nawe nalezi zinto obona ukuthi ziyadingeka emphakathini wangakini kodwa akayikho into engasho iANC after 31 years bephethizwe ayikho noma bangabhala izinto zonke obona ukuthi uyazidinga kwimanifesto yabo ungalenzi iphutha lokubathemba ngevote lakho uzozisola ngeke ngakusho lokhu ngaphambilini ngiyakuphinda manje ukuthi ANC ithatha usizi lwenu ilenze icampaigning ngithuli yona inkinga esinayo ngiyakhumbula abezindaba bebuza umama lo minister water and sanitation uPhemi Majotini ukuthi so ilithini iplan analo ngodaba lwamanzi wathi umbalulano abezukuyikhuluma manje leyo bazoyikhuluma mase sebe campaigner ngoba lolu daba lwamanzi ongenawo wena izobe li campaigning tool yabo bengithi nje angidlule kulokho mina nawe sidibane kwivideo landelayo ungasupporta kusidonatela ungasupporta ngokuba imember ikhona account kwi comment ephiniwe ngiyabonga.